Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making chicken tikka masala. So to start off, we're going to marinate our chicken and we're going to start with 1 cup of yogurt.
1 cup of yogurt. इसको mix
We're going to mix that. And then we're going to start with roughly like half squeezed lime. Just going to put that in.
3 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon.
A teaspoon of coriander powder.
Zira powder.
And then 1 teaspoon of cumin powder as well. Some red chili pepper. Half a teaspoon. Some salt.
अपने हिसाब से लेकर मैं इसको आधा टीस्पून.
Half a teaspoon of salt as well. And then here we have some chicken tikka masala that we're also going to put in.
और ये 2 teaspoon chicken tikka masala.
And now we're going to add some ginger and garlic paste.
Ginger and garlic, लहसुन और अदरक का paste.
Just going to put that in.
1 teaspoon. इसको अच्छी तरह से mix करके.
We're going to mix it. We have half a pound of boneless chicken.
Cubes इसको अच्छी तरह से
And
mix
we're
करके.
going to make sure to mix it and marinate it properly. And we're going to leave it for about half an hour to an hour.
फ्रिज में इसको 1 घंटे के लिए आप रखें.
We've let our chicken marinate for about an hour. We are going to heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan on high heat, and we're going to start putting in just our chicken. We're going to let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. You want your chicken to be nice and sizzling.
और इसको फिर हमने ऐसे फ्राई किया.
Cooking it for about 5 to 8 minutes. And now we're going to take the chicken out and put it in a separate bowl. Yeah. We're just going to take it out. Medium heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons, almost 3 of oil. We're going to let that heat up as well. And now we are going to add
ginger garlic paste.
Garlic and ginger paste.
जिस सिजल का टेस्ट है ना बहुत अच्छा है. बस इसको 1 मिनट के लिए ऐसे
and just stir it for a minute.
और अब हम डालेंगे.
Now we're going to add red chili peppers, 1 teaspoon, roughly 1.5 if you like, however spicy you want. And now some salt, 1 teaspoon, some turmeric, also 1 teaspoon. And we're going to mix that. And now we're going to add some coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, some cumin powder, half a teaspoon, some garam masala, just a pinch. And now we have some tomato paste.
Tomato sauce.
Just canned.
Yeah, tomato sauce. Yeah, हम ऐड करेंगे
Add half a cup of canned tomato sauce. And you don't want it too high, you want it on medium low.
बस इसको ऐसे 1 मिनट के लिए.
Cook it for about a minute.
और अब इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे जो हमारा
Now
मिक्सचर था.
The mixture that we used for our chicken, we're now going to add it in here.
और अब हम इसको कुक करेंगे 5 to 6 minutes.
And now let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes and keep stirring occasionally. Cooked our curry for about 5 minutes and you can see it becoming like this. And now we're going to add our chicken into it.
जो हमने किया था.
The chicken that we took out into the bowl, we're going to add that. We've let our chicken cook. Now we're going to add 1 spoon of butter. We're just going to want to mix that and let it cook for a little
Very
longer.
low heat. और इसको हम दे देंगे इस तरह से lid.
And we're gonna let it cook
Very low heat.
on low heat for another 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We let it cook on very low heat for almost 10 minutes. You can tell it's ready. The oil is separate from the curry. You can serve this with fresh naan, roti, or rice. With some coriander and it's ready to eat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.